This video explains how to use the smart HD TVs in the bedrooms at the Laurels. So you just need to use a remote control to turn on the television, push the top button, which is the power button, to turn it on. That will turn on television. Now these are smart HD TVs. They aren't connected to terrestrial TV or FreeSat, but you can connect to the internet apps. So if I push the home button here, you'll see that we bring up all the apps. And we do provide Netflix as standard, but if you have your own account with Prime Video, you can log in. Same with BBC iPlayer, ITV, Channel 4 as well. And these will play live TV through there. If you do sign in, then please remember to sign out, but do not change the Netflix app, please. So to go Netflix, you can push the OK button on here to go in, or you can push the Netflix button on the remote control. That will load up Netflix. Now, you can exit by pushing the exit button. I don't want to do that, so I'll push no. And then we can always go back by pushing the back button. That will bring up the menu and you can select whatever you'd like. There's also, if you haven't used Netflix before, a search button on the left where you can search using a keypad, whichever show you'd like that they may have. Once you're finished, just push the power button at the top and that'll turn off the television. Now, these televisions have a power extension and you find that it's on there. If you find that that isn't on, just follow the conduit all the way around. For example, in here, this conduit goes to the plug behind the bed and this needs to be on here. If it isn't on, then television won't be on. And that's how to use the televisions in the bedrooms. Thank you.